Bella Electric Griddle Review, a versatile and convenient kitchen essential. The Bella Electric Griddle with crumb tray is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering convenience and efficiency for both everyday cooking and special gatherings. Designed with a durable aluminum and plastic build, this lightweight griddle, 3.5 pounds, is compact enough to store easily yet spacious enough to cook up to 8 pancakes or eggs simultaneously on its 10-inch by 16-inch surface. One of the standout features is the non-stick coating, which is 8 times more durable and cooks up to 30% faster than traditional coatings. This makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, no need for butter or oil, and the dishwasher-safe surface ensures hassle-free maintenance. The griddle's adjustable temperature dial and removable probe provide precise cooking control, while the drip tray collects excess fat, promoting healthier meals. Cool touch handles add a layer of safety, particularly for families with kids. This griddle is also incredibly portable, thanks to its detachable power cord. Whether you're cooking at home, in a dorm, or at a campsite, the Bella Electric Griddle is easy to pack and use on the go. Its PTFE, PFOA, and BPA-free construction ensures safe cooking for the whole family. Pros and cons. Pros: durable non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Compact design with a spacious cooking surface. Dishwasher safe and fully submersible. Safe, toxin-free materials. Portable and travel-friendly. Cons: limited to 120 volts, which might not suit international use. Size may not be ideal for larger gatherings. Overall, the Bella Electric Griddle offers exceptional value for its price, combining versatility, safety, and ease of use. It's a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while achieving delicious results. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.